Hi, it's Tom Bowley here from the Property Centre, and today we're on Langton Court Road and we're at this Victorian 2-bedroom mid-terrace house. It has a garage via rear lane access and the most amazing views over the park. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Pass me by. When I come back, I want to be the reckless one you fell in love with. This is not my skin I'm wearing. These are not my eyes. These are not my words you're hearing. Oh, you know so bad. If I show you who I really am, will you understand? If I show you who I really am, will you see me for me? Will you be there for me? Will you want me for me? Tell me, will you understand? Will you still be there?
If you're interested in viewing this beautiful terraced home, or equally if you like your own place valued, please feel free to get in contact using the details below. Many thanks.
Understand if I show you who